Sony MDR7506 Professional Large Diaphragm Headphone. Main features are ear placement over ear, form factor over ear, noise control, sound isolation, frequency response 20 kz, neodymium magnets, and 40mm drivers for powerful, detailed sound. Specific uses for product: professional audio system, home audio system. Closed ear design provides comfort and outstanding reduction of external noises. 9.8-foot cord ends in gold-plated plug, and it is not detachable. 1x4-inch adapter included, folds up for storage or travel, and provided soft case. Frequency response 10 Hz to 20 kHz. These large diaphragm, foldable headphones feature a rugged construction, a secure, highly effective closed ear design. Connectivity technology: wired. Driver unit 40mm, dynamic. Magnet neodymium. Frequency response 10 Hz to 20 kz. Impedance 63 ohms. Sensitivity 106 WMW. Cord 9.8 ft 3M coiled cord. Plug gold-plated unmatched plug 1/4 and 3.5 m. Product weight approximately 8.1 oz, 230 g, without cord. Large diaphragm. The large 40mm drivers provide a wide frequency response and detailed sound. Closed-back design offers excellent noise isolation, blocking out ambient noise for focused listening. Collapsible design makes them easy to transport and store. Durable construction, built to withstand the rigors of professional use. Comfortable ear cups. Padded ear cups provide a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. Coiled cable. The coiled cable provides flexibility and prevents tangling,